400-pound motorcycle. Pretty much bones. This motorcycle right here has you'll notice the biggest thing is the keys on the engine. What does happen, those cages are manufactured by Industries. A leader in the industry of motorcycles. That's right, roll number 2. You guys are awesome. The handlebars are different, they're raised clip on. Just to adjust it a little wider and a little higher for his riding style.
Goodness gracious.
The biggest modification on this motorcycle is the right handlebar. You'll notice it has 2 levers on it. Left handlebar has 2 levers on it. One actuates the clutch as normal, and the other one actuates the second caliper on the rear brake. Look at that. Shuts it off.
Wow.
Stays in a wheelie. Starts the bike. That's beautiful right there. Come on.
Woo!
Woo! Other than that, and the wheel is right on the back, this is a very soft motorcycle. No motor work has been done to it. Exactly how they
stock motorcycle.
And you can tell there's more than enough power. Look at this. One hand standing on the rear seat.
Wow.
Come on, guys. There we go. Back into some more circles on the other end. Now, Keith is a 2-time McNeil champion. They have a TV show on Birth next to you. Be sure to check that out. Each took the 2nd and the 4th this year. I think he came in 6th overall in the nation. Factory sponsored BMW rider. Before he's a full-time lap doing the running man.
Wow.
Stop, he puts it around one.
That's awesome.
All right, comes in almost straight to tail.
Look at that.
Come on, guys. Make some noise. Unbelievable.
It's a pirouette.
You make that look so easy. It is not, I can promise you that.
Very funny.
Straighten the back out. All right, guys. Come on, give it up. Everybody have fun out there?
That's awesome.
That's what we like to hear. This way. Nobody likes to call the break in the middle of the show. Alright, I think he says the bike's to the left. Now, come on, guys. This is a 400-pound motorcycle. You don't think that's a
Bunny hopped it.
Come on!
Oh! Woo!
Unbelievable. Now, get something else in mind. The fans are turning on.
Oh!
That was close, but we'll give it a shot down this
Here we
way.
go.
Sometimes you get frustrated. Captain said, I need a female volunteer too.
Awesome!
Female volunteer.
Awesome.
That's a little rough.